The cabin air filter in your 2019-2022 GMC Sierra is located behind the glove box on the passenger side. Its purpose is to filter out dust, pollen, and other contaminants, keeping your cabin air clean. Replacing it is crucial for maintaining good air quality and preventing issues like reduced airflow or musty odors. GMC recommends changing it every 15,000 to 25,000 miles, or annually, depending on driving conditions. A clogged filter can strain your AC system, potentially leading to costly repairs. You'll typically need a screwdriver or trim removal tools for access. The filter's dimensions are approximately 8.5 inches by 7.5 inches by 1.25 inches, and the correct part number is GM95018025. First, open the glove box and release the hinges. This may involve pressing levers or removing screws to allow the glove box to hang freely. Next, remove the filter cover. It's typically secured with clips or fasteners on the right side of the compartment. Slide out the old filter. Pay attention to the arrows indicating airflow direction. These must align correctly in the new filter. Remember, installing the filter upside down blocks airflow and can lead to condensation or mold growth inside the system. Insert the new filter, ensuring the airflow arrows point in the correct direction. Wear gloves for protection during this step. Finally, reassemble the filter cover and glove box. Test your AC system to ensure proper airflow. This replacement can also improve fuel efficiency by reducing HVAC load.